Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's surrounded by tons of myths, confusion, and let's face it, some pretty bold claims. That topic is healthy diets. What does healthy really mean? Do you need to give up your favorite foods forever? And which diet trends should you be cautious about? Let's separate fact from fiction. Ready? Let's get started. First up, let's tackle some common diet myths. Myth number 1, carbs are bad for you. The truth, not all carbs are created equal. While refined carbs like white bread and pastries can spike your blood sugar, whole carbs like oats, fruits, and quinoa are packed with nutrients and energy your body needs. So don't fear the carbs, just choose wisely. Myth number 2, you need to eat only salads to be healthy. Wrong. Healthy eating isn't about restriction, it's about balance. You can enjoy hearty, satisfying meals while meeting your nutritional needs. Salads are great, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. So what exactly makes a diet healthy? Let's break it down into 3 main points. Variety. Eating a wide range of foods ensures you get all the essential nutrients. Think of your plate as a rainbow. The more colors, the better. Portion control. Even healthy foods can add up if you overdo it. Pay attention to serving sizes, especially with calorie-dense options like nuts and oils. Consistency. The best diet is one you can stick to long-term. That means finding a balance between healthy choices and your favorite treats. Let's take a closer look at some of today's most popular diets. Pros. It can help some people with weight loss and blood sugar control. Cons. It's very restrictive and hard to maintain. Plus, cutting out entire food groups can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Intermittent fasting. This can work for people who prefer structured eating windows, but it's not for everyone, especially if you have a history of disordered eating. Plant-based diets. Great for your health and the planet. Just be sure to get enough protein, iron, and vitamin B12. Remember, no single diet is a magic solution. It's about finding what works for you and your lifestyle. Now let's talk tips for making healthier choices without stress. Meal prep. Spend a little time each week prepping meals or snacks. It saves time and makes healthy eating more convenient. Hydration. Don't underestimate the power of water. It keeps your body running smoothly and helps manage hunger. Mindful eating. Slow down and savor your meals. This helps you recognize when you're full and prevents overeating. So there you have it, the truth about healthy diets. It's not about following fads or cutting out entire food groups. It's about balance, variety, and finding what works for you. Remember, food is fuel, but it's also joy. Let's embrace a healthier, happier approach to eating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips, recipes, and wellness insights. Share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite healthy meal? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and stay happy.